Now, for a little extra tip here, once I get to the top, watch how I spread out at the top here. What's up, guys? We're back here. We're gonna go over the overhead tricep extension using the cable, all right? Now, I'm gonna show you how to do it with both arms working at the same time. Starting with the setup, we like to put the cable machine right about above knee level. That way you don't have to dip down real low and pick it up and risk pulling anything or stretching anything out. So I'm gonna put it about right there, grabbing the rope here, already in position, pinky up against the bottom. Grabbing, I'll step in, pull it up at the same time, turn, get in position. Now I'm ready to go, all right? Brace that core, make sure core is nice and tight, chest is out. Try not to lean back, stay up and down. Lock the elbows in. Now, as always, contract that tricep from the bottom before you even begin to move the movement, all right? Contract the tricep, up, squeeze, flex, and control it down, let it down with the tricep. To the bottom, I squeeze the tricep again, and up. Let's hit a few reps here. Now, for a little extra tip here, once I get to the top, watch how I spread out at the top here. Spread with the triceps. By just pulling the hand straight out. One more rep. Let it down slow, turn, back into position, down safely, and that is how you do the overhead tricep extension, both arms working at the same time.